Hey, it's your girl Laylay Hearts Eats. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you'll be notified. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing a mukbang. And we have mashed potato. Oh, well, we'll start out here. We have roast with gravy, mashed potatoes and gravy, broccoli and cheese. Yum! I'm so excited and I'm so freaking hungry. My wife has been cooking the roast since early this morning. And I am so hungry. I'm so excited. Leave down in the comments how you guys are doing. How's everybody? Is everybody's weather's changing? Our weather's changing. It is so cold. I almost put on a sweater just to do this mukbang because I was wrapped up in my blanket.
It's freezing out there now, guys. It's starting to really get cold out here. I mean, it's not like crazy weather, but you can tell
it's just cold.
Fall is on its way, or here, or I don't know if it's fall yet or not, but it definitely feels like it is.
So get some potatoes, get some meat, and there is a bite for you guys. So good. Here's a piece of roast for you guys.
Yeah, it's delicious, guys. Ooh, I'm gonna give y'all a bite of this cheddar broccoli. Y'all see that? Just delicious and cheddary and yummy goodness. Guys, you're gonna hear our grandkids in the background. They are playing and getting along, and I'm like, who am I to stop that?
Give me a pepper.
Yes.
No, it's right there.
My mind says, who am I to, how dare I go and try to stop that happiness?
Oh, and the dog. You know when you start, like, when you're not doing anything?
Everybody's quiet.
As soon as we start recording, everybody decides they need to be loud. Sorry, I love pepper.
You need any salt or anything?
It's pepper.
Man, the broccoli is so good. Had this meat cooking since 11 o'clock this morning. It is currently around 7. And it is tender. Very flavorful. And my wife suggested to put the gravy over it. Oh, took it to a whole nother level. So, hope you guys enjoyed the last video we did. It was a pineapple challenge.
It was a failure. You know what, though? My father-in-law said it. He's like, you're gonna be full. You're gonna have to like starve yourself for like 2 days. I should have listened to him. Because it did make me really full. You wouldn't think. That was a lot.
It was a lot. It was. I can't believe you actually ate a good amount of it. I mean, there was only like what, maybe 7 pieces max left.
Mm-hmm. I love pepper, guys. So sorry. Pepper's my
She is a pepper person.
But yeah, I should have listened to him. I'm gonna do another challenge tomorrow. I'm not looking forward to it.
Me neither.
I'm making her do it with me.
Yeah, she's mean. I told y'all it was going to be my debut when we hit 300, but might be sooner than that. Because she's trying to drag me into doing this challenge with her.
I want to do it by myself. And they said no way.
Which is funny because our daughter's usually down for any and every challenge, but this one, she was like, nope.
Which is weird because she likes mustard.
Yeah.
And she told me she didn't want to ruin her donuts like that.
Yeah, she said I'd break her soul to ruin her donuts like that.
So I was like, okay. Plus, she's giving me that excuse. Well, I have school and I have volleyball, so I can't really be in your videos anymore. I think she boned out because of all the challenges that were coming our way. Mm-hmm. And school and volleyball was a good excuse because you can't really argue with that. You're like, oh, okay. Priorities.
Which I'm so proud of her. She's doing so well this year in school. She did have a little challenges last year, but this year, man, she's definitely staying focused and trying her best, which makes me, as a mom, so proud, you know, to see her doing good.
Who's doing good?
My granddaughter's doing excellent in first grade, kicking first grade in the butt.
Oh, she likes it. Her little friend is cute. She's like, I don't like the work. I like to play, but I don't like the homework. My granddaughter's like, I love the homework. I love the working in class and bringing it home. And she all looks at her all crazy.
That's a good thing, though. Hopefully she stays like that throughout the, grade school and
right.
Because our daughter loves school at that age. She hit about 6th grade.
And she stopped.
She was like, what is going on? This is stressful. This is hard.
She stopped being excited about it.
Yeah. Now we're getting ready to have a high schooler next year, and just trips me out.
I'm terrified and I'm sad.
Yeah, it breaks my heart. There's my little baby on her way here pretty soon to high school.
This is bomb. This is so good, guys. There's another bite for you.
Man, I don't know. I'm pretty sure she does not watch our videos or have no idea who we are. But I am so proud of Cuzzo AB. Like, she is killing the YT game right now. I am
she
so
cracks
proud
me
of
up.
her.
She's so funny. I love watching her. And then her little dance with the cowboy.
She's so funny. She's so inspirational. It's part of the reason why, like when my wife started to ask me to be in the videos or wanting me to be in the videos, is a big reason why I'm taking that leap to be in the videos. Because I figure if she could go through the things that she's been through with anxiety, depression, and stuff like that, and even my wife as well is a good example, and plenty more YouTubers that I don't even know about, but to see them do it and not worry about what people are going to say or how, and all that. I'm like, you know what? I could do it too. And then having you guys, the Hearts family.
They're asking for you. They want you. They got so excited.
Support me the way y'all do. Y'all don't even know. Like, I appreciate you guys 100,000,000%. I'm ready to have a good time. We're going to slowly revamp this channel.
The name's going to change.
The name will change.
Everything.
Everything's going to change a lot here in the next few months. So probably by no later than December, like there's going to be a lot of changes going on this channel that you guys been waiting for. Probably in the background without saying something, wishing for. But we got you guys. Just know that we got you guys. We got a lot of things up our sleeves that we've been thinking about. It's just, as you guys know, us trying to execute the things that we have in our mind. I've been bouncing off little ideas and little hints to who I consider a mentor, which is the Missing Tooth mukbanger. Bouncing off ideas with
awesome.
him. Also chit-chatting with Jasmine Eats a lot about different things as well. So, yeah, we hopefully have some good content coming for you guys.
We might have some collabs coming too.
Yeah, hopefully somebody
asked to collab with me. So.
We got a few things that we are thinking of, trying to just figure out how to execute them all. Being new to all this and not really knowing how to do all the cool editing and graphics and all that YouTube stuff. We're learning. So we're just trying to, behind the scenes, that's what we've been doing, practicing, changing things up. As you can see, like starting with our thumbnails and stuff like that. And then eventually, hopefully, it could be the quality of the video and a better editing, better setup. Like once we both get in here, we could really do a lot. But I'm just rambling. Sorry, guys. You guys are like, shut up.
Gives me time to eat. See, but I need her though because I'm the quiet one and she's the talkative one.
Mm-hmm. My nickname's Jack Jack.
We're a good team. Like together one. We're good. No matter what we do. It could be the easiest thing of like cleaning house or whatever. We're just.
That's why I married her. She's my Bonnie,
So, we were asked to do a Halloween video, which I know we have a little bit of time. It's next month, and then next month. I'm trying to figure out what our costumes are going to be.
Yeah.
Cause I know the food and stuff like that.
Oh, you do?
Mm-hmm, some of it. But I still gotta talk to you about some, like, what else you want to do, because I have some stuff. But, like, our costumes, like, what are we gonna be?
I don't know. We'll leave it up to you guys to help us decide. What would you guys like us to dress up as? Throw some ideas out,
Yeah, throw some ideas out and we'll pick from.
Because I'm not sure, Are we going to do, like, matching type thing? Like not.
Like two different characters, or like the matching, like Beauty and the Beast, or
like,
Joker and
Harley Quinn. That'd be cool. That'd be really cool. Huh. African American Joker. We gotta figure out background.
Pumpkins. Jokes. Jack-o'-lantern.
Jack-o'-lantern? As a pumpkin, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
My boo's like. So we're just figuring stuff out, but if you guys could help us with the costumes, because that's where I'm kind of stumped at. Because I always dress up every year.
I don't.
I love to dress up.
It's not something I'm into.
As a kid, I wasn't allowed to celebrate Halloween. So when I became 18, the game changed. I was so excited about Halloween. And everybody else is like, you know, been there, done that their whole childhood.
You were 19.
19, yeah. I was 19.
Because your first Halloween trick-or-treating was with me and my in-laws. Or
your sister-in-law.
my sister-in-law's family. Sorry.
Yep, I was so excited. I was a bunny.
She was a
The
cute bunny.
cutest bunny ever.
I'm full.
I like so. Broccoli and cheddar is my favorite.
But yeah, guys, we're excited.
But yeah, I never got to celebrate, so after that, I just like celebrate. So every year, I dressed up, and then 4 years ago, I buried my mom on Halloween, and I did not dress up that year. For 3 years, I didn't dress up. I think last year was the first year I was a mouse. So, but I like Halloween. I like to dress up, but we never dress up together. So it's gonna be.
This will be the first time ever that we've dressed up together.
As a couple.
Yeah.
Because usually she's the one driving. Because we take the kids trick-or-treating. She's the one driving and keeping the car warm for us. And like follows us. And then when we get cold, we jump in the car, warm up, go to the next street, and then so. But I am stuffed. I am full. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you to my day ones. I appreciate you. Thank you to my new hearts. I see you guys. Thank you for coming in. Totally appreciate you. Love you, my heart family. And you guys have been asking for me, so I'm going to be trying to put them out. Now, I don't know if I told you guys before, but my internet acts up. You guys probably noticed on my lives and stuff like that. The weather is changing, so downloading videos is going to take longer, so bear with me.
Yeah, we can't really give you a specific time, but we know that you will be getting videos for sure.
Because when it rains or it storms, it takes longer, and
We'll be more
by the
consistent.
end of October is usually when we get snow, so that's
We'll
what
be
I'm
more
worried.
consistent, but we will not sit here and promise you that it's going to be an everyday thing.
No, I cannot promise you that.
We are
But
too
I'll
busy for that.
try to be more consistent than what I'm being.
Yeah, you'll definitely get, at least 4 videos a week.
We're gonna try for
And
3
if
to
we
4
can
videos.
push
a
more,
week.
we will.
Yes.
But we know for a fact 4 at this moment is kind of perfect for us.
Yep. Well, I love you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you'll be notified. Bye!